Good afternoon, Bastien Mahé from BVN Real Estate and showing you today a 2-bedrooms house with pool in gated residence, quiet residence. So we start the tour and we arrive with the main room, which is an open kitchen with an island, fridge, all the cabinet, stove, water dispenser, dining table. It's a 2-bedroom, so it's 4 people normally will sit here. Large sofa, hardwood made in Nicaragua. All the furniture come from Nicaragua. The TV. And what we like a lot, and we'll start by this, is the garden area. So not much grass, but some plants and trees that will grow. And this tiny pool, which is a between a pool and a jacuzzi, but what makes very economic for maintenance, so it's very useful. So we can get through the gate here to the garden, and both sides there is another way to get out also over there. So inventory room with filters, bomb for the pool over there. And let's come again in the house. So the breeze pass through the place. Feel very good. And we have 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Let's start with the master bedroom. So double bed, and we have on the side the walk-in closet. So the house is not equipped with AC, it has fans, ceiling fans. And here, the master bathroom, very large, no stairs to walk. Very simple but clean. I like to see how bright it is. You have the windows are equipped with moustic fans, screen, sorry. So in between the 2 bedrooms we have the second bathrooms and also the guest toilet, I would say. And the second bedrooms, which is like today used as kids bedrooms, with also his closets here. So the house is listed for $109,000. It's just has been finished. They finished early 2023. So he's looking for a first owner.